Everyone's favorite part, the pins.
Yep. The roller coaster.
You see your hands? In there?
Yep.
Hands on your belly button, please.
Yes, sir.
Lift your head up. Drop it down. That's it right there. Just breathe in and out through your nose only, okay? There you go. Deep one in. Good.
Wow. Woo-hoo.
Felt it.
I felt it on the hips. You put a dent in your pin that time. I felt it. Good one, Sam. Man, you knocked that one out of the park, brother. Ooh, boy. You're not messing around on that one.
Well,
yeah.
it's easy when Dr. Johnson loosens you guys up. For me.
Jeez. That was good. That remediation did you some good. That was awesome. Thank you. That was great, man.
Not as stiff
Might
today.
have been the best one today. Yet, I don't know. That was a good one.
Well, I think over time it's just going to keep loosening up more and more.